Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Stomach growling happens because your digestive system stays active even when you're not eating. When your stomach is empty, muscles contract to clear out leftover food and gas, creating those rumbling sounds. This process, called migrating motor complex, prepares your stomach for the next meal. So those noises mean your body is getting ready for food, not just feeling hungry.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.